Study discussions are heating up again. What the devil is happening with Jamaica's male sprinting? Coach Maurice Wilson, on his return from Doha, says the young sprinters should consider going overseas. The man himself, Stephen Frano Francis, also on arrival from Doha, addressed the issue.
Compared to other choices that some of the males are making, I think going abroad is going to be a better solution. They still won't be good because, but at least they'll be forced to get an education because a lot of the male sprinters leaving high school are heading for disaster. The females at the moment are not as stupid, I would say. But, it's difficult for us to expect them to blossom, given the whole kind of scenario which exists in high school and among the different people competing who believe that they'll become rich if they can get these kids to do what they want. So, yeah, I would agree with you. If you're going to fail, may as well you fail abroad, because at least you'll become educated.
Frano lick harder than the Maverick. But seriously though, not because the winning long jump and triple jump and discus and shot put medals means everything is all right. We need to address this spiraling crisis in Jamaica's male sprinting. And both said it first, and now Frano said it. The youth them have talent, but them don't have enough heart and drive and ambition. They start getting contracts and a whole money from them in a school, so them lose them hunger and motivation and focus. So even as we continue to diversify our competencies in the sport, at the same time, we can't blame the J3As, the clubs and the coaches. It's the youth them have to know themselves.